Hey! We're just gonna be hanging out in animal company doing random stuff. Sorry if this is not very entertaining. By the way, if you do not like funny videos, this is not for you because there's probably gonna be a lot of.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Are you?
What?
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Wait, bro.
Welcome Gangnam Style.
Come here. Cinema!
At your
Cinema!
Goodbye. I'm going.
Guys, look at
I'm
me.
leaving.
Cinema! Did I just break the floor? Oh, I made a crack in the floor. Hey, don't leave! Don't leave!
Oh, I can unlock something.
No! No! Don't unlock it!
Why? What's gonna happen if I do?
You're gonna die.
Huh?
Ah! Stupid radioactive.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say wallahi.
Should I buy another another research point? I have enough.
Sure.
I flush. Yeah.
He shouldn't. He shouldn't. A stinky man. He's stinky.
What'd you call me? I can hear you in 2 different ways.
Huh?
Yay!
What the heck is happening to the VR headset?
Me.
Look what I did. Wait, come over here. Come over here. Are you ready to say wallahi? Say wallahi, bro.
Sure. Wallahi.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Bro, no, I gotta give you a better so
Say
loud.
wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
There's gonna.
Don't do it again. Stop it!
No.
Stop it! Where are you?
Bro, stop screaming! Just say wallahi, bro. Just say wallahi.
Stop it!
Okay.
Stop it now!
Bro, stop acting like a little kid, man.
Why? It's funny. Get here!
No, 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 no.
I'll be right back. Turn around. I need to do something.
No. Do not. Heck no!
Say hello to my little friend.
Bro, just say wallahi.
Nah, I don't think I will this time. I missed. Crap.
I got feet though. I got feet though. I got feet though. I got.
You got
feet.
Cheetos? You got Cheetos? Where?
No, 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 no. Man, be quiet. Yeah, but we're gonna be reviewing the update. So first thing we have to kill it 50 times, you know, which is kind of stupid. And second thing, we have to defeat that R10 full time, which is also kind of stupid. We have some new cool items: the Grim Staff and
Not that cool to me.
the Special Club. I can't say that.
I'm gonna fight you. Revive me! I'm gonna put you to the Discord! Revive me! Alright. I'm going on a mission.
No, don't. Actually, don't.
Then what?
You gotta
think I'm
kill
gonna do?
me first, bro.
Oh yeah. I have a little something that can help me with that.
What are you gonna get?
There.
No!
For
Why the RPG, man? No. I'm actually. You launched me all the way to the fishing map and I killed myself. Wait, come all the way to the escalator. Oh my gosh, this world looks so big. Bro, the blood is bigger than me! Why did I just see green? Explosions. What am my body? I became big again. But, bro, my drill is still turned on. Go near my body. Go near my body. I dare you. No, I dare you to actually go near it. Is
doesn't
it?
hurt. There's no collision.
Revive me! Oh, I am a piece of cheese.
No. I'm the big billionaire now. I wonder what it looks like right now. Here, bud. Look at me.
Oh.
Do you
Guys,
see my eyes?
yeah, I can. Wait, hold up. Hold up. No, ow, my face. No, guys, trust me, it worked. It was in a video. See, I think I just go like this, and then I just jump off here, and I teleport. See? Ow! Ugh, I don't think it's. Yo, Braden, come try this. People don't believe me. Like, remember, it was in a video. People still don't believe me. Like, so like basically, you have to go like this, and then you just jump. Oh, why isn't it working?
Look at me.
I just see a tiny banana that kind of looks like a nose with two eyes.
You ready?
Yeah.
It works.
What works?
The thing that we saw.
I don't know what you saw.
That's it. Oh my gosh. Why do you have a grappler up here?
I did.
Yeah, there's a grappler.
Can you give that to me? Because I need a grappler.
Good.
Oh, baby.
Or do I want to give it to you?
Can't move. Yo, guys, like, look at. Wait, I've just sing the song. Oh, baby.
Goodbye.
Doll, I can't move on and I can't move
Why'd you
on. What?
go quiet?
Why did I end up here? What the heck? You know what? I'm not gonna ask about that.
Where am I?
You're in the wall. You're in the wall.
Wait, remember what I told you about earlier? Like, how about we could do a glitch where we say go to I don't know go backstage if you want money.
Mhm.
You remember that? What I was gonna do?
Bro, you're spoiling a video idea we might do. You know
Oh,
what?
crap.
Well, that was the end of today's video.
Hey.
Wallahi, bro, say wallahi.
Goodbye, Wallahi.
Ignore him. Bye.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.